I don't want to waste your time. So, this tutorial is basically just about recreating that character slide transition that you saw in the intro, and doing so while adding aura to the characters. First of all, if your project isn't full screen, aka the video doesn't extend from here to here, I recommend just using black bars to fill in the top and the bottom. That's just how I make my edits consistent and I shape this properly. To do the mask, go to the first frame of the clip that you want to make the transition with. I'll be using this frame here. I'll show you 2 steps to isolate the image you want. First, I try using the website remove.bg. So what we're gonna want to do is take the image and we're gonna want to isolate, screenshot it, and then we're gonna want to bring this to background remover, and you can erase what you want, as you can see. And sometimes the AI just isn't good enough, so we're going to have to switch to an alternative. The alternative is Photoshop, and I think I know what this already, so let me just get out of the way.
I don't have Photoshop.
Okay, then use Photopea. It's a lot more time consuming and I'm not going to do it here, but if you watch the background, you can get a general gist of how the tools work. You're basically just using the erase tool and tracing around your image just to create a rough outline. Once again, I'm not going to redo the cutout. You're going to want to scroll down the side, export as a PNG, and then re-import it into CAPCUT. If you don't have a lot of experience with CAPCUT, then you're going to want to pay attention here. Place the image into the track, select it, and then select this specific diamond right here. After that, move the diamond on the image clip to the left of the clip. You can select the diamond and move it to the left. And then you want to move it to wherever you want on the screen, where you want it to transition from, okay? So we're going to move this up. Then move your playhead forward on the image clip so that the first frame of the corresponding video appears in the playback. As you can see, it's appearing in the playback on the top. And now, press the diamond in the top right hand corner again. While hovering over this new diamond, resize and move the clip so it is exactly the same as the first frame of the video. So we're going to want to move this over so you can match it. That's why it's really important to screenshot from the actual file, because it's pretty easy to shape it. You just have to put it in the center and you don't have to do a lot of work. So make sure your screenshots are actually accurate. So that's where your first image clip should end, right here. Otherwise it'll go past, so you're gonna want to cut here, press W, that's my key. If not, you can just Control B, delete the right side, and you'll be good. Watch it over. You can shorten or speed up the transitions by hitting Alt and K and messing with the graphs. We're not going over that because it's really, complicated. Adding aura to the transition is simple. Just duplicate the clip and select the bottom clip. After that, select Alt plus G, create a compound clip, and search up JVC. As you can see, we have it open already. JVC basically adds a little aura to your character, or whatever you're cutting out. Filter and strength should be at 100, and I'll make this about blue. And then we're gonna want to do this once or twice more. I think we'll do it one more time. I think that'll be fine. And as you can see, we have the aura, but it looks really robotic. So we're going to do something similar with Black Flash 2. You can search it up in the effects bar. Twist and size should be at 100, strength at 0, speed doesn't matter, but I'll put it at 0 just for representations. If we do this 3 times as well, 3 to 4 times, it doesn't really matter. Finally, fade out the clip so it transitions seamlessly to the video. You might want to change the time to around 0.3 so it doesn't look super dull for a while, 0.2 even. And that should be good. That looks pretty solid to me. Let me know how my tutorial went. This is my first one after all, so feedback is appreciated. Subscribe and Create Core out.